Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to sell on Whatnot. First thing first, open the Whatnot app on your device. Then tap the plus sell button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap Get Started to begin your application. Now review and accept Whatnot's community guidelines to keep the platform safe and fun. Then select the category you'll sell in most often, like collectibles, fashion, electronics, etc. Some categories require choosing a subcategory as well. Now, select the option that best matches your experience level if you're new, experienced, or pro to share your selling experience. If you already sell elsewhere, provide an estimate of your average monthly sales revenue and also indicate whether else you're active on eBay, Instagram, Poshmark, in-person markets, etc. This helps Whatnot understand your background. Now, enter your social media profiles if you use them to promote or sell products and make sure links are typed correctly. Now, enter your full legal name as shown on your ID, and you may also enter a PO box or business name must be at least 2 characters, and you can update this later in the Seller Hub. Now submit your application and you'll then be redirected to Seller 101, a short required tutorial. After completing it, you'll be able to go live and create listings. Once approved, you can start selling through live auctions or storefront listings directly on the app. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this.